have a humble request. I'm not asking for donation. Instead, please purchase my book and support me. One of my book is this one, Python programming, and this is the another one for Arduino. The link for the both books are in the description below. The title of the books are Python Programming for Kids and Arduino for Kids. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm participating in a national level science competition in Oman, which is MSF. See, this is a live virtual exhibition going on, and this is my project, which
someone's calling.
Sajish. Someone's calling me. Just a second. Hello? Hello, is there someone? Someone just called and no response. And these are my two projects. You might know the smart garden and the smart house. You might know how it works. This works according to the light, and this we can control through the smartphone. So why I created this project is, all over the world, nearly billions of dollars are spent for unwanted usage of electricity. To overcome it, I have found these both. Through this, we can now reduce the unwanted usage of electricity. We can also implement or add artificial intelligence like virtual assistant like Siri, Google, Jarvis, Good Friday, etc. We can add, and we can give, for security, we can give a fingerprint recognition system, eye scanning, etc. And face scanning also we can give. Guys, I forgot to tell you how these both works. Come, let me tell you. In this project, I use two Arduinos, one for the smart house, one for the smart garden, and I use a tablet for controlling this. This wire is so small, so I'm using an extender over here, and this is a long printer wire which has the same USB. And for users know how to program it, we use MIT App Inventor for mobile app development, and the Arduino. In this we use the Arduino IDE for programming it. Now first we will connect it to Bluetooth and connect to our Bluetooth module, which is over here. After connecting, if you press a button, just a second. Yeah, if you press this button, it will set a unique signal. Actually, wait, I'll show you. Connect to here. Connect. I have connected. Yeah, on it. The lights are on and on. Now let me open the garage. See, everything is done through the smartphone. This sends a unique signal to the Bluetooth module, which informs the Arduino that like this signal has been, I received like this signal. So according to that, you work it with it. Yeah. This is how the smart house works. Yeah. Now let's come to the smart garden. Here's the sensor. This sensor works according to the intensity of the light. So when I cover it, see, there's no light, and the lights are on. Now I'm getting another call.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Your project looks very interesting. I've seen it through the video.
Yes, ma'am. Should I explain it again detailedly?
It's fine. I saw it in the video, so it was very nice. So I just thought I will give you best wishes, and it is very innovative. Like you showed how the mobile goes and the light comes in, and the instead of sunlight, when the light comes in, and when sunlight goes, the light comes in again. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
was very interesting.
Yes.
It's nice. Good concept. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. I got another call, and this you also know that this works according to the light. So here I'm counting the sensor. The lights are on. When I remove, lights are off. That means when the sun comes, the lights will be off. When the sun goes, when the sun sets, the lights will be on. Just a second, I'll just off the lights. See here, yeah, on, off, on, yeah. Here, many of you might scold me. See that there are three lights. When the light goes off, down, or the sun sets, the lights will be on. Let me show it to you. I'll just off the lights in my room. Yeah, see here it is on. And whenever the sun rises, the lights will be off. Yes. You might have a question, why am I using three different lights? For emergency, see here when I off these lights, right? Only the red looks different and these two looks the same for looking. Whenever we on, only we will notice that there's a green and there's blue. For that only, because of that I got confused and I did with these three colors. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends, and like this video, and subscribe to my channel. If you think we can implement this, we can add more features, means give the features in the comment box. So bye.